Hey there, future data moguls. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about an exciting topic that has got everybody's attention: how to become a millionaire with a data job. If you're passionate about numbers, insights, and building wealth, you're in the right place. My name is Omar. I make videos on using data to solve business problems. I also help students to get started with their data career, especially international students who are looking to start their career in the UK in the field of data. I guide them and help them to get started. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel and also like this video. First things first, it all starts with choosing the right path in your data field, whether you're a data analyst or a data engineer or a data scientist. First, make sure you sharpen all your skills and build a strong foundation in your area of expertise. That's the first thing. I think you should be absolutely good with what you do. Yep. So I believe most of the people who start their career in the field of data, they start as a data analyst. In today's video, we're going to talk about from the lowest level of job a data professional would start and to the highest level. How much money would they make and how that would help them towards the path to become a millionaire and how long it is going to take. Let's look at that with the help of a data-backed example. This is an example of a career of a person who starts their data journey as a junior most data job, and how they grow into the highest level within the data field. And we look at their salaries and a small percentage they save year on year, and how that compounds into £1 million. And we look at in how long it's going to take. So if you look at this example here, let's say someone start their data journey in the year at the age of 24. Let's say they start their journey as a data analyst and they stay in the role for 3 years. Let's say they earn around an average of £35,000 per year. This is a average salary I got from the UK stats. So probably here you can look at the net salary they would make is around 27,000. This one is the total gross salary for 3 years. This is the total net salary for 3 years. So let's say if they're saving around 10% of their salary every year, they'll be saving around £8,347. Let's say if this is compounding year on year at a rate of 10%, they would be saved around £11,109. Let's say after 3 years, they move into the next role of senior data analyst, where they stay for 4 years. Let's say at the age of 27, they make around £45,000. The net is around £34,622. The total gross for 4 years is 180,000, and the net salary they earn is around 138,489. Let's say they save another 10%, which is 13,849 for the 4 years. And if you add these two, the money already saved and this, and you compound it, they would be compounding at a rate of 10%. They would be saved around 36,541 at the end of 7 years, 3 plus 7. Likewise, they become a data analytics manager in the age 31, and they stay in the analytics manager for 4 years. And they make around £65,000 as a gross salary. Net is around 46,749. For 4 years, it is 260,000 gross and 186,997 as net. Another 10% they save, it's around 18,700. You add that to the previous savings, compounded savings, that would be around 80,879. Likewise, they move into a senior manager, they stay there for 4 years, and they move into data director, stay there for 5 years. And finally, they become a CDO or a managing director or a partner in the field of data. Let's say they stay for 10 years. And at the end of the, probably, I would say around how many years? So this is around 30 years journey. They would have had £1 million as their savings. So if you take this route, as a employee within a firm in the field of data, it would probably take around, I would say, this compounding is not very accurate. Okay, probably around 25 years plus, okay, you would be making £1 million. If you're proper in your savings, and if you're investing that savings into some investment instrument, something like an S&P 500, if you're getting around a returns of 10%, you'll be a millionaire in 25 to 30 years. So this is the route if you to become a billionaire. If you're in the data job field, probably you can become a millionaire faster if you take a different route as an entrepreneur, which I will cover in another video. But I believe this one is pretty much okay. Everybody who starts a career in the data role within 25 to 30 years, they can become a millionaire, which is a good sum of money. You'll have a good work-life balance. At the same time, you'll be saving a decent amount of money for your retirement. So I highly recommend anyone who wants to make a decent amount of money during the lifetime to get started in the area of data. And this is what I wanted to cover. So probably on an average, probably as a high-level start, okay, if you start your career as a data analyst or an engineer in the year 24, by the year 50, okay, you'll be a millionaire. That is guaranteed. And it is based on stats that I've taken from people who are in this career. At the same time, some parts of it reflects for me also, because I'm in a job with the field of data, and pretty much it reflects my own savings and salary of what I used to make. Yeah. I hope this video would have given you a decent insight on how to become a millionaire by getting a job in the field of data. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll soon come up with another video. Until then, you guys have a good day. Take care. Bye.